my goal here is literally to try to let you guys see 60 seconds of Pretty Bird's breathing. His body language when he's out with his babies right now. You can see he's lost weight throughout all this. But like I said, his appetite recently has been getting better, which is good. So he's been eating more. When it comes to his breathing, it does appear a little bit less labored. That will not change anything. Pretty Bird will still go to the vet on Tuesday. Because over the last few weeks, he did often get better and then worse, and then better and then worse.